Mastering failure mode effects. In pursuit of operational excellence, leaders obsess over failure. Where is the focus of an organization's efforts directed when its leaders aim to achieve operational excellence through the application of failure mode effects analysis, FMEA, whose primary goal is to identify and mitigate potential failures in its processes, products, or services? When an organization's leaders aim to achieve operational excellence through the application of failure mode effects analysis, FMEA, the primary focus of their efforts is directed towards identifying and mitigating potential failures in its processes, products, or services. This implies that the organization's efforts are concentrated on recognizing and addressing vulnerabilities in its operational systems, products, or services that could lead to failures, defects, or inefficiencies. To achieve operational excellence through FMEA, the organization's leaders should first establish a cross-functional team comprising stakeholders from various departments, including design, engineering, production, quality, and maintenance. This team is tasked with identifying all possible failure modes in the organization's processes, products, or services, and assessing their potential impact on the organization, customers, and other stakeholders. The team should conduct a comprehensive analysis of the organization's processes, products, or services to identify potential failure modes, failure causes, and failure effects. This involves reviewing design specifications, process flowcharts, quality control procedures, and customer feedback to identify vulnerabilities that could lead to failures. The team should also consider factors such as customer expectations, regulatory requirements, and industry standards when assessing potential failure modes. Once potential failure modes have been identified, the team should assess the probability of occurrence, severity, and detectability of each failure mode using a risk priority number (RPN) calculation. The RPN calculation involves assigning scores for probability, severity, and detectability, and multiplying them to obtain a numerical value. Failure modes with higher RPN values are considered higher risk and should be prioritized for mitigation. The team should then develop and implement mitigation strategies to address the high-risk failure modes. These strategies may include design changes, process improvements, quality control enhancements, or maintenance schedule adjustments. The team should also establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor and measure the effectiveness of the mitigation strategies. To ensure the sustainability of operational excellence, the organization's leaders should institutionalize FMEA as a continuous improvement process. This involves regularly reviewing and updating the organization's processes, products, or services to ensure that new failure modes are identified and mitigated, and that existing mitigation strategies remain effective. Additionally, the organization's leaders should provide training and resources to employees to empower them to identify and report potential failure modes, and to participate in the FMEA process. This promotes a culture of operational excellence, where employees are encouraged to take ownership of quality and reliability, and to continuously improve the organization's processes, products, or services. In conclusion, when an organization's leaders aim to achieve operational excellence through FMEA, their primary focus is on identifying and mitigating potential failures in their processes, products, or services. By establishing a cross-functional team, conducting a comprehensive analysis of potential failure modes, assessing risk, developing mitigation strategies, and institutionalizing FMEA as a continuous improvement process, the organization can reduce the likelihood of failures, improve quality and reliability, and achieve operational excellence.